Okay, so here's the deal. We have those 17-year cicadas here, and they're very noisy, but they are actually kind of interesting. So I thought that maybe today I could go outside and show them to you. So yeah, enjoy. Alright. Okay, they're flying all around the place, all over. Okay, that's dead. This one is dead, but yeah. I'm kind of afraid to go by this tree because they like attacked my mom yesterday. Let's see if we can find an alive